Get ready for a super cool science experiment that looks like magic. You're gonna make a rainbow burst in your milk, and it's easier than you think. In just a few seconds, I'm gonna show you how to do this fun science experiment. But first, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. This is whole milk, and this is skim milk. Which one do you think will make the coolest rainbow milk? First, pour a little bit of milk into the bottom of a shallow bowl. Then add a few drops of food coloring. Be sure to get a nice mix of colors. I'm using a toothpick to drop the colors in, but you can use anything you want. Next, put a little bit of dish soap on the end of a cotton swab and touch it to the milk. Oh, look at those colors. Swirl around. The soap reduces the surface tension of the milk and chases the fat molecules around. Because the fat molecules have nowhere to go, they move the colored water with them, creating these cool streaks. You can try this with different brands of soap or even with whole milk and skim milk like I did here. It's fun to see all the different colors mix and swirl together. And if you want some extra sparkle, you can even add glitter to the milk before you start. Get a grown-up to help you with this fun experiment at home. And if you love the colors, don't forget to subscribe. This whole milk looks super cool. What about the skim milk? They both turned out great. And don't forget, you can make this rainbow milk explosion over and over again. So keep on experimenting.